What do plants absorb to make organic matter like proteins and nucleic acids during nitrogen assimilation? Nitrate ions are the primary form of nitrogen absorbed by plants from the soil to synthesize essential organic molecules. This process, known as nitrogen assimilation, converts inorganic nitrates into amino acids, which are the building blocks of proteins and nucleic acids. Nitrogen gas cannot be directly used by plants and must first be fixed into reactive forms by bacteria. Nitrite ions are intermediate products in the nitrogen cycle and are typically toxic to plants if they accumulate. Ammonium ions can be absorbed, but nitrate remains the most abundant and preferred source for most terrestrial plants. What chemical is added to a test tube to observe effervescence in the presence of an acid? Sodium carbonate reacts with acids to produce carbon dioxide gas, which is visible as brisk effervescence. This reaction is a standard laboratory test used to confirm the presence of acidic properties in a substance. Sodium hydroxide is a strong base that neutralizes acids to form salt and water without releasing gas. Sodium chloride is a neutral salt that does not typically react with dilute acids to produce a gas. Potassium iodide is a reagent used primarily for redox reactions or starch testing and does not produce effervescence with acids. What is the common name for ethanoic acid in lower concentrations? Vinegar typically contains 5 to 8% ethanoic acid, acetic acid, by volume in water. It is widely used in the food industry as a preservative and for flavoring due to its acidic properties. What family of organic compounds does ethanoic acid belong to? Ethanoic acid, acetic acid, contains the functional group COO, which is the defining characteristic of the carboxylic acid family. It is a weak organic acid commonly found in vinegar and used extensively in the chemical industry. What acid is associated with the stings of ants and bees? Formic acid, also known as methanoic acid, is the simplest carboxylic acid and is injected by ants and bees as a defense mechanism. It causes the sharp pain and swelling associated with stings due to its corrosive nature on skin tissue. Hydrochloric acid is a strong mineral acid found in the human stomach to aid digestion but is not present in insect stings. Acetic acid is the main component of vinegar and is not the primary irritant found in the venom of stinging insects. Citric acid is a weak organic acid found naturally in citrus fruits like lemons and oranges. What is the chemical formula for nitric acid? Nitric acid, HNO3, is a highly corrosive mineral acid used extensively in the production of fertilizers and explosives. It is characterized by its strong oxidizing properties and its role in the aqua regia mixture. Which elements constitute sulfuric acid? Sulfuric acid has the chemical formula H2SO4, indicating it is composed of hydrogen, sulfur, and oxygen atoms. It is a strong mineral acid widely used in industrial processes and battery electrolytes. If hydrochloric acid produces H+ and Cl ions, what general type of substance is it? According to the Arrhenius theory, an acid is a substance that dissociates in aqueous solution to produce hydrogen ions, H+. Hydrochloric acid, HCl, is a strong mineral acid that completely ionizes in water, making it a classic example of this definition. A base is defined as a substance that produces hydroxide ions, or, in solution, which is the opposite of producing H+ ions. Water is a neutral solvent, H2O, that can self-ionize slightly, but it is not defined by the production of Cl ions. A salt is an ionic compound formed from the neutralization of an acid and a base, typically containing a cation other than H+ and an anion other than O. Which fact surprised you the most? Comment below and subscribe to Quotient for more.